So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from structure of atom and it will be whole NCERT exemplar MCQs. Okay, so let's get started. So our first question is, which of the following conclusions could not be derived from Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment? Most of the space in the atom is empty. The radius of the atom is about 10 to the power minus 10 meter, while that of nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Electrons move in a circular path of fixed energy called orbits. Electrons and a nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. So our answer goes to 3. It is not correct. Okay, according to Rutherford. Which of the following options does not represent ground state electronic configuration of an atom? So our answer is 2, as you can see like this. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d8 and 4s2. And in these options 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d9 and 4s2. It can't happen because it will be 3d10 and 4s1. Okay. The probability density plots of 1s and 2s orbitals are given in figure 2.1. 1s and 2s. The density of dots in region represents the probability of density of finding electrons in the region. Okay. On the basis of above diagram, which of the following statement is incorrect? So our answer goes with 4. It is not correct. It says that the probability density of electrons for 2s orbital decreases uniformly as distance from nucleus increases. And what are correct options are 1s and 2s orbitals are spherical in shape. The probability of finding the electron is maximum near the nucleus. The probability of finding the electron at a given distance is equal in all the directions. Which of the following statement is not correct about the characteristic of cathode rays? They start from the cathode and move towards the anode. It is correct. They travel in a straight line in absence of external electrical or magnetic field. It is correct. Characteristic of cathode rays do not depend upon the material of electrodes in cathode ray experiment. Does not depend on the materials. Okay, but this one is incorrect, so our answer is 4 because it was asking for not correct. So characteristics of cathode rays depend upon the nature of gas present in the cathode ray. It is not correct, it is incorrect. Okay, because cathode ray does not depend upon the material of electrodes in cathode ray tube. Which of the following statement about the electron is incorrect? So our answer is 2. The mass of electron is equal to mass of neutron. No, it is not correct. Electron is negatively charged particle. Yes, the basic constituents of all atoms, it constitutes of cathode rays. Cathode rays are formed by electrons. Cathode rays are electrons. Okay. Which of the following properties of atom could be explained correctly by Thomas model of atom? So our answer is oval or neutrality of the atom. Neutrality of the atom can be explained by Thomas model. Two atoms are said to be isobars if they have same atomic mass. If two atoms are said to be isobars, sum of the number of protons and neutrons is same, but the number of protons is different, because as you know that Z equal to P equal to E, that is atomic number equal to proton number equal to electron number, and neutron equal to atomic mass minus Z. And when we add, atomic mass is found by N plus Z, that is atomic number plus neutron number. Okay, so sum of the number of protons and neutrons is same, but the number of protons is different. That is isobars are having same mass at atomic mass but a different atomic number. Different atomic number. Okay. The number of radial nodes in 3p orbitals are 1, because what we know, as the formula of radial nodes is n minus l minus 1. So here n equal to 3, l equal to 0 and 1, l equal to 1. So our radial nodes are 3 minus 1 minus 1, that is 3 minus 2 equal to 1. So our answer is 1. Okay, this one. Okay. The number of angular nodes of 4d orbital. Angular nodes formula is only L. Okay. So angular node for d orbitals are 0, 1, 2. SPD. It is 2. Okay. So our answer is 2. Okay. Which of the following is responsible to rule out the existence of definite path or trajectory of the electrons? So our answer is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, because you can't find velocity when you are finding the position, and you can't find the position exactly when the velocity is not present there. So you can't find the velocity and position at the same time of an electron present in an atom. Okay, according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Total number of orbitals associated with third cell will be 9. How? Because it's 2n, because it's n square, or third cell, because of third cell it will be 3s, 3p and 3d. When you will count, it's one box, and here it will 3 and here it will be 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So how it will be 9? Okay, so our answer is 9. Orbital angular momentum depends upon L. L is the orbital angular momentum. Orbital angular momentum is represented by L. Okay. Chlorine exists in two isotopes form, C37 and Cl37 and Cl35, but the atomic mass is 35.5, because it is average atomic mass. This indicates the ratio of Cl37 and Cl35 is approximately, it is 1:3. Okay, you can find here like this one. When you will real atomic mass. Okay, the pair of ions having same electronic configuration is this one, because Fe, SCTI, Mn, Fe, 3d64s2, but when it will go in +3 state, then it will becomes 3d5. Okay, 3d5. And when Mn is having SCTI, Mn, 3d5 4s2, and when it will be +2, then it will be 3d5. Okay, so we can say that this both are having same electronic configuration, 3d5. Okay. For the electrons of oxygen atom, which of the following statement is correct? The two electrons present in 2s orbital has spin quantum numbers ms, but of opposite sign, like this, if they are +½ and -½ Okay. If traveling at same speed, which of the following matter wave have the shortest wavelength? Since lambda equal to h upon mv, therefore lambda inversely proportional to v and mass. So we can say it is having shortest wavelength. So mass extra than the velocity, lambda inversely proportional to mass. Okay, so alpha particle, I think that it should be, because when lambda inversely proportional to mass when velocity is constant, So when you will increase mass, the lambda will decrease. So alpha particle is having maximum mass, so its lambda will be, or wavelength will be, shortest. Okay. Two or more options may be correct. Identify the pairs which are not isotopes. Okay, isotopes means same atomic number, same Z but different mass. Okay, so here you can see that same atomic mass, not it is asking, it is asking not the isotopes. So here you can see that they are isotopes, but they are also isotopes, they are not isotopes, and they are not isotopes. So our answer is 3 and 4. Out of the following pairs of electrons, identify the pairs of electron present in degenerate. Degenerate means same energy level, means same energy levels. Okay, so our answer goes to, as you can see here, 3D. Okay, first is 3D, and this one is 3p, and this one is 3D, and 1 minute, let me check. 3D, and this one is having -1, this one is having -2. Okay, and here you can see 3D, this one is 3D and it is having +2, and this one is also 3D, it is having +2, but you can see like this. So what the question was asking, degenerate means in same orbital. Okay, so this is 3D and this is also 3D, and you can see the spin is same, and here. Okay, and in 18 you can see 3D, and this one is also 3D. Okay, which of the following sets of quantum number are correct? Okay, so first one is, 1 minute, first one is incorrect, and 2p it can happen, and 3D it can happen, and 3f it can happen, but one is not correct. So our answer goes to 2 and 3. Okay, because what's the rule is that L equal L equal to L equal to n minus 1. Okay, or minus, okay, and m equal to minus L2 plus L. Okay, so our answer is this one and this one. Okay, which of the following pairs the ions are isoelectronic? Okay, so this one and this one, as Na is having 10 electrons and this one is also having 10 electron pairs. Okay, which of the following statement concerning the quantum numbers are correct? Angular quantum number determines the three-dimensional shape of the orbital. Angular momentum determines the shape. And spin quantum number of an electron determines orientation of the electrons relative to the chosen axis. Orientation is defined by spin quantum number. Okay, so we can say that spin quantum number for orientation and angular quantum number for three-dimensional shape. Okay, so then comes our match type questions. Okay, in some of the following questions, one options of left column may be correlated to more than one option in right column. Okay, so So what will happen with Cu2 plus is that it will Cu is, since Cu is 3d10 and 4s1, so it will be 3d9, okay, and 4s0. So which one is the answer for our second options? So you can see here like 3d9, okay. And in case of zinc, what happens is SCTIBCRM and FeCO NiCuZn 3d10 4s2, but when it will go in Zn2 plus, then it will become 3d10, okay. So our answer is, you can see here 3d10, okay. And in case of Cr is SCTIBCr 3d5 4s1, and when it will go plus 3 state, then it will be 3d3, okay, the most stable state 3d3. So our answer is, 1 minute, 3d3, okay. Now the next question, match the quantum numbers with the information provided by this. Principal quantum numbers define energy and size of orbitals. Azimuthal quantum number defines the shape of the orbital. Magnetic quantum number defines the orientation of the orbital, and spin quantum number defines the spin of the electron, okay. This is the most important question. Principal quantum number defines energy and size of the orbital. Azimuthal quantum number defines shape of the orbital. Magnetic quantum number defines orientation of the orbital, and spin quantum number defines spin of the electrons, okay. Match the following rules with their statements. Hund's rule says that pairing of electron in orbital belonging to same subcell does not take place until each electron is singly occupied, okay. Now Aufbau principle, which one is okay, and now comes Aufbau principle. So it says that pairing of electron in orbital belonging to same subcell does not take place until each orbital is singly occupied. Aufbau principle says that in the ground state of atoms, orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energies. And Pauli's exclusion principle says that no two electrons in the atom can have same set of 4 quantum number. And Heisenberg uncertainty principle says that it is impossible to determine the exact position and exact momentum of a subatomic particle simultaneously. And according to Hund's rule, pairing of electrons in orbitals belonging to same subcell does not take place until each electron is singly occupied. Learn this fact, okay. Match the following: X-rays, UV, long radio waves and microwaves. As you know, when we gamma, X-rays, UV, visible, micro, infra, micro and radio waves. So here lambda increases, but in this direction frequency increases, and in this direction lambda increases. So you can see and you can learn all these facts. For X-rays it will be this frequency, for UV rays it will be this one, and for long radio waves it will be this one, and for microwaves it will be this one, okay. You can find it. Match the following. Photon exhibit both momentum and wavelength. Electron exhibit both momentum and wavelength. Lambda square is probability or density and always positive value, okay. And principal quantum number n is value of 4 for n cell and always positive value, okay. Match the species for given column 1 with the electronic configuration given in column 2. So Cr is having 3D54S1, so it will be this one. Okay, Fe plus 2 SCTIVCR and Fe. Fe is 3D64S2, and when it will be plus 2 then 3D6. Okay, so our answer will be this one. Ni SCTIVCR and FeCO Ni. Ni is 3D8 and 4S2, and when it goes in plus plus 2 state, then it will become 3D8. Okay, so our answer is 3D8 and 4 is 0. And copper SCTIVCR and FeCO NiCO 3D10 4S1, and when it will 3D10 and 4 is 1. Okay, so this is our answer. So all the best for your exams.